Hey guys and Wagwan. Today I'm going to be trying to spot like the fake couple. Like the way this work, you have seven couple in this case, but one of them isn't really a couple. So yeah, I'm going to try and find that person. Well, persons. So let's start. Okay, ready? Okay. Jubilee.
We brought together 7 couples.
We
This
are a couple.
probably
We're
explain it
couples.
better.
We are a couple.
We are
a
couple.
We're a couple.
And
We're
a couple.
We're a couple.
1 is a liar. If the group discovers who the liar is, they'll split a cash prize.
Okay, I'm going to try
If the
and
liar
guess
survives,
like
they win the
immediately
entire prize.
who a suspect.
You know each other's parents' names?
Matthew and Carrie.
And then her mom is Davina and her dad is Peter.
Carm and Patricia.
David and Terry.
Everyone's
Mhm.
saying parents' names, but I don't know what their parents' names are. Like they could be making things
Exactly.
up for all I know.
Exactly. I could just be saying random people.
You've met each other's parents, but like
Don't know the names.
I mean, it's only 6 months, I guess. But either way, like, I need to.
Yeah, they said they were together for 6 months, and I thought that
I
was
would assume you know their parents'
Exactly.
names by
Yeah.
then.
How about
Or maybe they're
biggest
trying
fight?
to throw it out.
is that something you guys want to say?
I'm suspecting those. I'm suspecting. I know you can't see, but those people. I don't trust them for some reason.
I feel like because we work together a lot, we're both in the film industry. I feel like the darkest times I remember are like either I didn't like something you did, or like I'm really depressed about something that I'm doing,
Trust
and you're
me.
like, "What's wrong with you?"
Don't
or
work.
something. I don't know.
Don't
My
work
parents just
together
stopped,
as a couple.
accepting.
Don't.
We'll get there.
There's a reason why I said that. Don't.
Maybe. We'll see. My family's
Let's do the anniversary thing again. I think we crossed over that, like the number.
like
the
say
day,
it at the same time.
September 20th. Oh, September 20th.
Well, not knowing some, like, that's not really saying you're not a couple because people can forget, like, right? Sometimes not even my mother remember my birthday, and yeah.
June 18th. Yeah.
September 2nd.
Okay, they're not a couple. Yeah. That's what I'm voting for. Same.
Yeah, they didn't know their parents.
Exactly.
names.
But you could have guessed. Don't know. Same. Come out. Fake.
We were the only one out of all of them that were like,
yeah.
we don't know. And so everyone was like,
Talk about
Okay.
when we
Okay.
realized.
So like how they got voted out now, people the fake couple could still be in there. So they have to continue, I guess, until I think it's like 2 remaining. So as well as the fake couple could have been out already. So yeah.
We liked each other. Like, what was the thing that made you feel something?
She used to come to a bar that I used to run, and I used to give her a hard time because she didn't look 21. I kept pursuing her, and I don't think I was necessarily her type in the beginning, but
Definitely not my type.
I dated black athletes my entire
I
Wow.
definitely was interested in you.
And I was like, I don't want to
You're
cross any
It's
lines.
much harder to read than I am.
But also, it's like I want to be like, hey,
Oh,
like
this
we're working together, but like
hard.
you're editing my short film. But
I believe
also,
them because they work
I wanted to
together.
be like,
They work
not
together.
wait
I
till after we're
believe
done
them.
or something. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But we couldn't.
But we did. Yeah. I met at orientation, freshman school. I was a sophomore. I transferred. Yeah. So I had like no friends. And she was a freshman.
Orientation.
And we
First
Best
day.
friends like vibed immediately.
Wow.
And you knew before.
Yeah, I mean, like I always kind of knew I was into Hannah, and she didn't
Kind of
know
suspecting
until,
them now.
like 2 years later.
So we finally had a sleepover.
Yeah, we had a
Oh.
sleepover. You know. Then we just like started dating. Is physical not off limits?
No, it's not.
So kissing?
Yeah.
Little kiss, okay.
Okay, I believe them.
Everybody?
I believe her because she wanted to kiss. Oh, that was quick.
Right before the kiss, he was like, "All right," and I was like, why did you say all right, like right before kissing? I was like, that seems a little suspect.
Okay.
So what's like
either they're a couple or really good
We went on a
actors.
trip a few months into dating
Mm-hmm.
up north and stayed in this like tiny little cabin, went hiking.
In the redwoods?
Yeah. It was really
Like,
refreshing.
guys,
Although that was when I was like,
do you know who
we're gonna say I love you.
make sure you guys leave a
You
comment
didn't.
on who you think
It was
it is.
delayed by another week.
Because right now, I'm thinking it's either the guys the two that got voted out,
No, not
or those, or the two girls. Yeah, I'm thinking the two girls. Something about it. Yeah? Oh. Like, for some reason, I actually believe them.
You guys are very
We didn't bring them because we thought we weren't sure.
Kind of misunderstood.
How sweet, keep it fair.
Okay, no ring.
Oh my god.
Oh, she's pregnant.
Like, yes, she was pregnant, but
Yep.
it doesn't mean like it's his baby.
Oh,
so
yeah.
you like it could be anyone's
I
baby.
can't.
That would
That'd be a
be
good
That's
goal.
true.
The
That's
perfect
true.
line.
That's true.
Something that each other would only know about each other because of your intimacy, like weird mannerisms.
But it doesn't make sense asking those questions because how do we know if they're telling the truth? Like, I could have just met you and said, "Oh, she likes strawberry." I'm lying. You don't know that. Doesn't make
He
sense.
has to floss as much as he will. I will be in bed and I'll be like tucked away and.
Did you fall?
Yeah, this could all be made
So,
up.
and sometimes he forces me. So I mean, it's good. He does the most disgusting thing. He picks at his toes and then like bites his fingernails. Right. I think that's disgusting because he
Right,
tries to kiss me
that's-
afterwards, and I'm like,
yeah.
oh.
I would not want my girlfriend to be saying that on me about me on
So
YouTube.
I'm super thankful for how much you've grown since we first started dating.
I actually believe them.
That your anxiety gets in the way of a lot of things and how things
I'm really thankful that like you push me to do stuff like this. That like helps me grow.
But you are carrying my child inside of you. That's such an amazing
Uh-huh.
experience. And
All the single
would
people
never
out there,
wish anyone else.
turn away.
These things together.
Continue
I just
watching,
think
but
knowing you for these past 16
turn
years,
away.
I've grown tremendously as a woman. I think you have had a huge part in that growth.
love you like so much. I don't know why I'm even here. I'm like such
Like,
a social
I'm
anxious
kind of
person, but it makes me
suspecting
so
them.
I'm a very nervous person, but I'm glad you kept me out of my shell.
Mm.
I'm really thankful we're here, and I don't know, you're just like my best friend, and I'm glad of everything we've gone through together, and I'm super excited what we can do, and I just feel like as long as
That guy look like
conquer everything.
he doesn't want to be. That guy look like an actor.
You brought out the best in me. And you're the best.
He looks like an actor. That was extremely short, by
all
the
the
way.
time. But if I didn't have you in Rhode Island with me, I don't know what I would do. I would drop out and leave because you
Great
ground
fun.
me, centered me. Just think, like no matter where I am.
Yo, this
you're my
hard.
best friend. So
I believe everybody so far. I believe everyone so far.
I would be so pissed if someone I would be so upset. I know.
Again, vote out the two guys. I'm voting out the two guys. Or that's true. No. Really? Well, that's kind of true. He's very
We're such
well.
like private people, so it's so uncomfortable for us to go out.
Yeah.
with other
Private
people.
or
So they probably
fake?
just didn't think it was genuine when we were talking with each
Yeah.
other.
Private or fake. Okay, so basically, if it turned green, the liar has been voted out. If it's red, the liar is still there and they win the money. Okay, so I'm going with the two guys for if they're in the box. If it's not the two guys, it's the first set of couples that got voted out. So yeah.
If you're green, you vote as a liar. If the lights turn red, the liar is still in the box and you lose.
Let's see.
Oh.
Yup. It's
Alright, if the mole could reveal themselves.
really
Right.
orientation. No one meets on
I'm indignant. A bunch of college kids thought we went together.
I mean, I thought I went like a little hard on the kiss part.
Yo, you guys are really good actors.
And afterwards I was like, oh shit.
Played well. Yeah, they played well.
Yo.
I'll give you that. I think it was kind of like when they said their story about the art show. I think we kind of like ate that up a little bit.
But I kind of suspected them because met on orientation.
I had like a suspicion like right when we started because I was like, oh, it could be easier. Like they could totally just be like, really good friends. And then like it just went out the window. I should have stuck with my gut. I had no idea like the whole time.
It seemed more of a show than just a genuine connection as far as couples.
It just seemed more of a friendship than an actual loving connection.
Yo,
It's hard when
they
people are saying,
fooled
oh,
you
yeah, we
up.
love each other. To be
They
like,
fooled me.
no, you don't.
Well, they fooled me for like apart. Let me know. Let me know if you guys guessed.
Here we come. Yeah,
If it was them, be honest, guys. And if you want to see more videos like this, just leave a comment, like the video, remember to share, and oh yeah, wait, subscribe. Like, it's free. You're watching the video. If you enjoy, just subscribe.